The Morgan Report with David Morgan.
This is David Morgan with the weekly perspective for the week ending October 5th, 2019. I apologize for the background noise. I'm not in the greatest location to do this. However, there's some interesting headlines I want to get to right away. German machinery orders plummet, adding recession fears. Dubai seeks investment to bolster lagging economy. India's central banks cut interest rates, downgrades outlooks. And there's an article titled "The Collapse May Finally Be Here," and it has to do with something I've been reporting for quite some time, and that is the auto industry is having big problems globally. It's not just Detroit, it's India, it's China, it's everywhere. This channel stuffing I've mentioned in the past continues, and it continues to get worse. So we are in the midst of a very definite slowdown in the global economy. So let me move right into silver news, because there's been a couple things this week that have been important in the silver sphere, and one of them came out of the Silver Institute, and I think it's important for everybody to get a feel for what the officialdom is saying about the silver market. This came out on the 3rd of October. It says the main categories of global investment have increased appreciably this year, led by fresh all-time highs for the silver exchange-traded products, ETPs, where 746 million ounces of silver are currently allocated. Global mint bullion coin sales rising by 30% on a year-on-year through July, and strong net long positions on the COMEX, with net money managed longs up to over 60% since the start of the year. The silver prices began the year at $15.44 per ounce, is up 11% as of the end of September, posting a yearly high of $19.30 on September 4th, a level not seen since 2016. Against this backdrop, the Silver Institute released a new market report titled Global Silver Investment, prepared by Metals Focus, a leading precious metals consultancy. So there you have it, folks. We are seeing from officialdom and, of course, our own knowledge that the silver market has, along with gold, as we know, certainly had a good few months, and I do expect this to continue. And I have one other thing to report in the silver market, and then I'll close it out and make this a very brief weekly update. This came from physics.org. Title is Inventing the World's Strongest Silver, physics.org. A team of scientists has made the strongest silver ever, 42% stronger than the previous world record. But that's not the important point. We discovered a new mechanism at work at the nanoscale that allows us to make metals that are much stronger than anything ever made, while not losing any electrical conductivity. A materials scientist and mechanical engineering professor at the University of Vermont who co-authored the new discovery. The fundamental breakthrough promises a new category of materials that can overcome a traditional trade-off in industrial commercial materials between strength and ability to carry electrical current. You can read the entire article, physics.org. It's phys.org. I'm going to sign out and make this a brief update. I'll probably do just a podcast next week due to my current location. Remember, there's nothing more powerful than the truth.
Hello, I'm David Morgan, publisher of The Morgan Report, and as some of you may already know, The Morgan Report is about money, metals, and mining. In fact, we cover all resources, from rare earth elements to precious metals. I've been publishing on the internet for about 20 years. My primary passion is to help people build and preserve their wealth. I love to make people millionaires. I've helped thousands of people via our research in The Morgan Report, which has thousands of paid members and 10 times that amount on our free weekly updates. Here's what you'll receive from our free newsletter: to-the-point webinars, weekly analysis of the financial markets, interviews and our conference schedule, special reports such as riches and resources, and various metals price forecasts. Our paid service client base is primarily small to medium-sized business owners, professionals in the industry, or the seasoned investor who understands markets and the value of precious metals. My area of expertise includes equity analysis throughout the resource sector. Energy metals, base metals. We cover startups to billion-dollar corporations. We focus on a special sector that makes money regardless of price oscillations, and the importance of precious metals due to the ongoing currency devaluations. Our team of 3 analysts and support staff can help you build and protect your wealth. It's important for you to know what other people have said. We're passionate about what we do. High integrity and trust. Tell the truth and own it. If we're wrong, we admit it. Take a long-term outlook with major assets and bet a little to win a lot with speculative situations. If you choose to become a client, you will gain financial insights very few, even professionals, recognize. You'll understand the importance of honesty in our financial system. You'll understand how the money system influences almost everything in your life. You'll be prepared for the ongoing currency crisis. And finally, I've chosen to make my life's mission greater than the individual, which means my mission statement is to teach and empower people to understand the benefits of an honest monetary and financial system. It's been a great journey so far, and the best gains in this sector lie ahead over the next 3 to 5 years. I'm fortunate to have earned the status of being a leading authority in my field in helping others protect their wealth. You can email me at support@themorganreport.com or call my office at 480-325-0230.